Ain't nobody gonna take this smile. I've been working hard to find this smile. You can try to break me at each mile. I'll get stronger every time. You can try to talk about good game, but walking the talk ain't really the same. So go and take your bad energy, okay? Cause I'll get stronger every time.
Yeah, you know I ain't the average, I don't give up that easily. Best believe this mission ain't easy as it seems, but you know I gotta keep it moving, this ain't no retreat. Queens, we unify, certified with degrees. Let the haters talk, go read it in magazines. I'm busy planting the seeds, protecting my inner peace. On that good energy, no time for negativity. Ordained to be great, I shine till infinity.
Ain't nobody gonna take this smile. I've been working hard to find this smile. You can try to break me at each mile. I'll get stronger every time. You can try to talk about good game, but walking the talk ain't really the same. So go and take your bad energy, okay? Cause I'll get stronger every time.
They say the early bird catches the worm, that's my motto. I rise with the sun and I hit the road solo. Now on a mission, Venus on that YOLO. Streets being empty, air fresher than the ghettos. I'ma breathe deep, conquer this test G. The morning breeze, that's my symphony. I got my eye on the prize, that's the MIC. Blast up the speakers when I hear that beat. My heart's beating fast, getting so excited. Feeling like a warbird, I'm focused on alignment. Each step I take, I understood the assignment. Never silent, same Polly Queen's iconic.
If you keep it real with me, I'ma keep it real with you. And if you drain my energy, best believe it's time to leave.
Ain't nobody gonna take this smile. I've been working hard to find this smile. You can try to break me at each mile. I'll get stronger every time. You can try to talk about good game, but walking the talk ain't really the same. So go and take your bad energy, okay? Cause I'll get stronger every time.
It's your girl QS. I got my day one, Lavina, we boss ladies. On the hook, she killing it softly. Grew up in the hood, but still we keeping it classy.